Hello everybody, welcome to part 5 of Scratch tutorial. So today we are going to explore the sound code. So if you haven't watched the previous videos, please do check because we'll be using the motion as well as the looks code in the sound code. So without wasting time, let's move on to the video. So friends, I have opened Scratch and as you all know, I am using the Scratch offline version. So this is the offline version and whenever we open Scratch, by default, we will have this cat as the sprite. Okay. So today we are going to see the sound. We are going to explore the sound codes. So let's start one by one. So the first one is play sound meow until done. Because I have selected the sprite as a cat, the sound by default it's showing meow. So let's check whether it's saying meow or not. Yes, it said, and it's something is there like until done. Correct, until done. So what actually it happens? So let's check that also. Next one we'll have that start the sound. See, in this also we have the same thing, start the sound, it's telling meow. But what is the difference between these two? Some difference might be there, no? That's why they gave it as two different codes, right? So for this, we'll use the looks code, okay? So for example, if I'm giving this, that is say hello. That is from the looks code. If I'll select say hello, so I have explained this in detail in the previous video. So I will take the say hello to both the codes. I have took this say hello. Now let's check. So this one, let's check first. That is start sound meow. Say hello for 2 seconds. So this is just telling us start. So first let's check this. Okay. See what happened. That is the meow sound as well as it said hello for 2 seconds. See. Both together it happened, correct? Both together. But check this code now. What happens? It will say meow, that is until done. One option came until done. So until the meow is completed, it won't say hello. Okay, so you can check this. First it said meow, then only it said hello. So after completing the meow sound, it said hello. Saw the difference between both. So I guess this is clear to you now why they gave two separate codes of play meow until done and play meow. That is if you want both to play together. For example, if you want to show something like you are speaking, that is your animated character is speaking. So for that, what you can do, you even want it to be written on the screen as well as you want that particular sound to be produced. In that case, you can use this one, that is start sound, and at the same time you have to say that, and in this case it will tell complete it and then only it will display what it has said. So I hope this is clear. I'm just taking it back. Next what we have is stop all these sounds. So I hope there's no need of any explanation for this. So now I don't have any sounds here. So if something is going on repeated, if it is repeated again and again, if some more sound, then what happens? If I'll click on this, that particular sound will get stopped. That is all these sounds that we produce, it will get stopped. Okay, so that we will use in the coding session. Next, change the pitch by 10. So change the pitch by 10. So what actually is this? Let's check. Okay, see the pitch is getting changed. The pitch means high pitch, low pitch we have, right? High pitch means very high volume. That is, the pitch will be very high. Low pitch means very low. Low it will speak, and high means high it will speak, correct? So here the pitch. So I just took this code, that is play meow until done, or you can even take the other one also. I just took this one because it has to produce some sound. Then only I can show you know how to change the pitch. So now I'm increasing. See, this is positive 10. The pitch is increasing. So the pitch is increasing. See? So how the pitch is increasing. If I want to lower the pitch, I'll give a minus 10 over here. Now let's check. So how the pitch is coming down. So the pitch is coming down. So it's coming back to the position. So now I hope you are. And if the sound also, if you don't want the cat to actually meow, what you can do, you can record a voice. So click on record and then click over here, that is record, and say something. That cat will actually say that. So let's check this. Okay, so I'm clicking on this record. Hello, it's me Reena. You're watching Rachel's Network. After saying, I just stopped it. Now here you can trim or you can expand whatever you want. You can just select it like that, and now play and see. Hello, watching Rachel's network. So how it played the particular thing which I recorded, and then if you don't like what you said, you didn't like it, you can re-record, or if you liked it, you can save it. So my character now has two sounds, that is the meow as well as the recorded one. Now if I want my character to say this, what I can say do is, see, I came over here, so and I will select here my recording. So my recording's name is recording number 1. So let's check. Hello, it's see, it's telling what I am telling, correct? So the pitch is changing. Hello, it's me, Reena. You're what? Hello, it's me, Reena. You're watching. Hello, it's me, Reena. You're watching Rachel's network. So you saw how the pitch kept on changing. So either you can record your voice or you can use what is there, the voice that is present over there. Now next, clear the sound. If you'll do, everything will get cleared. Okay, so this is how we select the pitch. Okay, pan left or right, that we will do in detail when we will do the coding part. Next, change volume. So if you want to increase the volume or decrease the volume, so let's check for this particular sound. If so, -10 I have given. So if we want to decrease it, so let's check. Hello, it's me, Reena. See, the volume is decreasing. Hello, it's me, Reena. See, the volume actually is changing. So maybe when you increase it more, you will understand it. So if I want to give 100 over here, let's check. Hello, it's me, Reena. See, the volume actually increased little more, correct? So similarly, minus if you'll give, the volume will decrease, and plus if you'll give, the volume will increase. Now set the volume. I want the volume to be this only. I don't want the volume to change. So if I'll give something very huge, 1000, so maybe we can check. Hello, it's me, Reena. See, the volume increased much higher. So now if I'll select volume over here, it will show the sprite's volume. Whatever the sprite's volume is, it will show. If I'll change the volume. Hello, it's... So finally what we have is this one, that is to select something. So if I'll select this, the volume, that is by default the volume is 100. If you keep on changing, the volume's value will also keep on changing. So this one I have explained in the previous videos. If you want to check, the link is given in the description box below how actually it changes. So we'll do it in detail in our upcoming videos, that is in the coding sections. I hope this video was clear and interesting. If you like, please like and share with your friends. Meet you all up in the next video with the next code, that is on events code. So until then, it's bye from Reena.